Nikki-Dee rain with KLBK's first warning weather.
Severe weather can come in all shapes, sizes, and forms, and we're dealing with a type of severe weather that is causing dangerous conditions to stay outside for an extended period of time. Take a look at today. Gorgeous day, but it is very dangerous. We did get all the way up to 99 degrees in the hub city. That tied the record for the warmest day that we have seen here since 2012. Before that, we didn't even get up to 99 on this day in history. Yes, yesterday we had highs getting close to 100 degrees, but today extremely warm across the board and dangerous. These type of conditions are staying with us. We're not seeing anything in the way of cloud cover in the immediate zones. And if you want to see any clouds, well, you're basically going to have to leave the great state of Texas. We are seeing a few light clouds over towards New Mexico, but all in all, everyone in the state, we're dealing with extreme heat numbers. Some portions still in the triple digits. We're looking at 103 in Abilene, 102 over in San Antonio. The hub city coming in at a hot 96 degrees, although we did get up to 99 earlier on. Off into the rolling plains, we continue to stay right around that triple digit mark. Along the state line, we are slightly cooler, but that doesn't mean we are in the clear when it comes to the severity of our weather. We are dealing with those wind speeds still coming in out of the west around 20 to 25 miles per hour at times, and they're going to continue to filter their way through into the overnight hours, dying down just a bit, but still staying around 15 miles per hour in the overnight hours. Then pushing back up as we head further into tomorrow. That is why we are dealing with a red flag warning that will be pushed into effect, and that's going to continue to take shape over the next several days. Please be careful if you're doing anything outside. If you're burning, you may want to double check on all the rules and regulations, and even when it comes down to grilling, because in order to see any amount of cloud cover, even rainfall, we're not going to be dealing with any of that over the next several days. Just crystal clear skies, a lot of sunshine. Now on into Wednesday evening, we will see the dry line trying to interact with us. We're going to see some of that very nice moisture being pushed up just to North Texas, pushing all the way up towards the northern extent. As far as South Plains, seeing any of that activity, well, if we can just get that dry line to scoot its way over just a bit west, we could be seeing a few locations off into the rolling plains dealing with some of that rainfall Wednesday night into Thursday, but definitely not widespread and not looking to really affect many of us over the days to come. But of course, we'll continue to keep an eye on the dry line, and we just pray it pushes its way westward, because we need some of that rainfall across the South Plains. And then of course, if you have the rain, that helps out with the drought and also helps out with the severity when it comes to fire danger. Here's your 7-day forecast. It's looking pretty hot. Tomorrow we get down to 62 degrees for the low thanks to the wind staying with us into the overnight hours. We will be very nice and mild. We'll rebound 95 degrees for the high off into the rolling plains. Looking to see another day of potential triple digit weather. Along with all of the warmth, we will be dealing with blowing dust and dirt. We will be seeing quite a bit of wind speeds pushing their way across the South Plains. The cold front comes through Wednesday into Thursday. We will be lowering those temperatures just slightly, getting at 84 degrees for the high by Thursday. A slight chance of rainfall that is mainly for the overnight hours, but of course we'll continue to keep you posted on if we can bump the number up, because that sure would be nice. Now just as we get right around that 80 degree mark by Friday, things rebound quite a bit. We get back into the upper 80s, flirting around that 90 degree mark by Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So warm weather is headed back towards the South Plains. Obviously today was extremely warm. It was beautiful, but extremely warm. Remember to drink a lot of water. Don't forget about the pets if you have any of them that stay outdoors. Make sure they have the water in there and put extra, because it will evaporate. We are just so incredibly dry.
And sometimes we get used to the cooler weather. We forget to do some of these things that we have to on hot days.